Hey everyone, Gazebo Hub channel here. Just want to make a quick video of this purple leaf gazebo, hardtop gazebo, in case you're thinking about buying it and wanted to see what it looks like or hear more about it. Gotta tell you, I absolutely love this. Gazebo hardtop frost is really the way to go. I've had non-hardtop top gazebos and the fabric's ripped. It's collapsed under the weight of the snow. So the hardtop, you don't really have to worry about that. One of the best features I have to point out about this is the gutter system. So at the end of this video, I'll show you another video where I recorded this in the rain. But the water comes right down the roof and goes down the gutter system and water drips down the side. So you don't have to worry about any water dripping down the front of it or the sides of it. So you don't get wet when you're walking in and out of the gazebo. A couple other things I want to point out is the quality of this material. So the netting here is really heavy netting, pretty heavy. Don't think I'm going to have any issues with this like tearing or anything like that. Even the zipper quality is really good. So these are really thick zippers when you do zip it up. It stays intact, and doesn't fray apart curtains are really nice as well, thick curtains in the roof here. You have a few hooks here, so we plan on putting a ceiling fan up there. You can hang other lights. There's a three hooks up there, if you can see that. Also in the roof here, you have netting in the roof to keep insects and bugs out as well. And the netting really comes down right to the floor here, so you get a good seal to keep as many bugs out. Insects out as possible. All right, one thing I wanted to show you because it's raining outside is how the gutter system works. So you can see we got a nice rainstorm going on here. All the rain is going on the roof, dropping down, and then it's going into the gutter system on top here. So you can see that there's no water dripping down the sides of the gazebo, but rather down here you can see there's the gutter. And all the water just drips right down the side of the pole. So that's a really nice feature is the gutter system. So that said, I have to say this is a really nice gazebo. It's really high quality material, made really well, and definitely give it a thumbs up.